Intergenerational trauma refers to the way emotional pain and difficulties caused by a traumatic event can be handed down from one generation to the next. When parents experience trauma, its effects can shape their behavior, relationships, and even the way they raise their children. Over time, these patterns can continue to influence families for many years, sometimes without anyone seeing the original cause. Understanding intergenerational trauma is important because it helps explain ongoing challenges within families and communities and can guide efforts to heal and break the cycle. Intergenerational trauma refers to the spreading of emotional and psychological wounds from one generation to the next, often impacting families and entire communities. Common signs include persistent anxiety, difficulties in forming healthy relationships, and patterns of substance abuse or violence, and quiet withdrawal from friends or relatives. These challenges can create cycles of affliction that are difficult to break without intentional intervention. Healing often involves acknowledging the trauma, seeking support through therapy or community resources, and fostering open communication. By addressing these issues early, families and communities can begin to break the cycle and build a foundation for lasting recovery. These events can occur when parents or caregivers who have endured significant trauma unintentionally pass on their emotional wounds through their behaviors, parenting styles, or communication patterns. Modern research also suggests that trauma can influence living factors such as tension hormones, which may be inherited by offsprings. As a result, the impact of a traumatic event can extend far beyond those who directly experienced it, shaping the lives of future generations in complex ways. To learn more, visit www.glamour-kickstart.com to get the book The Persimmon Tree. Allow your release to come soon.